Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today, my makeup look is about how to cover blemishes. You heard it. I woke up with a nice little pimple right here, and I was like, I might as well show the rest of YouTube how to cover up some blemish spots. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below, and also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos with me.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
Alright guys, so I am going to teach you how to cover blemishes like a pro. You can see I have one right here, and because of allergies I have a lot of redness in this area that I would like to personally cover, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that. What I'm going to do first is I have it's by It Cosmetics. It's by Under Eye Concealer. This stuff is a little bit more pricey, but it's like a very full coverage concealer. So I have this in the shade Light. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some on my finger right here. That is even a lot, to be honest. I'm going to pat it on my zit. And I'll even put some right here where I'm really struggling with some redness. I'm going to be taking my Beauty Blender sponge by Real Techniques, patting that into my skin. Alright, great. That looks beautiful. Just kidding. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my foundation. I used MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade MC20. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand. I'm going to take it and dot it all over my face. Now I am going to take a little bit more. I know there's a lot on my face right now. However, I want to make sure that I go down my neck here and also on the side of my face, just so there's no harsh lines and everything looks like it's all natural skin. Alright, so now that I've applied the foundation all over my face, what I'm going to be doing next is taking my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm just going to be patting this in. Notice I'm not wiping the product away, I'm just patting it into my skin here. Alright, so I've applied the foundation all over my face. Now, unless I get close up, you can't really see. My skin looks very cakey. You can see that there's foundation that's not really like blended out. It looks very cakey. It's in the fine lines here. What I'm going to do is go over it with my Beauty Blender sponge. This will take up all the excess makeup, but it also pats the foundation into the skin, making it look more like skin. And you're not going to have that cakey problem.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. my love, if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love, if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love, if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason